Hey everyone, welcome back to another JWS Media YouTube video. In this video we've got a quick little tutorial on how to install a theme on a fresh new install of WordPress. This website is a website that I've been working on for a little mini YouTube series that you're going to be able to see a little bit later down the line. So I've already got some plugins installed and some themes and stuff installed, so I'm just going to go over the process that you need to take to be able to install a brand new theme on WordPress. So when you get to your WordPress, when you log into your WordPress website, you'll be welcomed by a dashboard that looks something a little similar to this. From here, you want to navigate to the left-hand side of your dashboard here and find the tab that says Appearance. You want to hover over this tab, and now you see another drop-down menu that has been displayed for us here. From here, you want to click Themes, and this is going to redirect you to the themes that are already installed on your website. So if you're on a brand new install of WordPress, you're just going to have the 2020 theme. From here, you want to click Add New, and you can have a browse through all the themes that WordPress has to offer and that sort of stuff, or you can search for a new theme. I recommend going with Astra. If you want to go for Astra, then just search for Astra up in the top right hand corner here, hover over it, click Install. You're going to wait for it to install, and then from there you want to click Activate. So I'm not going to activate it because I already have a theme installed on my website. But then you will want to, once you've installed it, you want to click Activate, and then you can customize it from there with your page builder and through the customized WordPress settings themselves. I hope you guys have enjoyed this quick little tutorial on how to install a theme on WordPress. If you'd like some more tutorials like this, then please leave the video a like and subscribe, and drop a comment in the comment section below. Cheers for watching. I'll see you in the next one.